A company should receive raw material and then turn it into finished products using labor and manufacturing process. The finished product will then be delivered to the customer. It is very important to get the raw material from the supplier at the right time and the right place and at the right cost. A supply chain consists of all parties involved in obtaining raw materials. This picture shows the 5 basic supply chain activities a company must take to manufacture and distribute a product. A supply chain management system manages the information flow among these activities to maximize corporate profitability. The supply chain has 3 main links. 1. Materials flow from suppliers and their upstream supplier at all levels. 2. Transformation of materials into semi-finished and finished products through the organization's own production process. And 3. Distribution of products to customers and their downstream customers at all levels. For example, assume a customer wants to buy a mountain bike from a dealer. Several steps are needed to complete this process from start to end. The customer places an order with the dealer purchases bike from the manufacturer purchases raw materials such as aluminum, rubber tires, and accessories from different suppliers. Raw materials are stored in the manufacturer's warehouse. All these processes make up the supply chain for fulfilling customer's order, which is shown in these pictures. This picture shows the supply chain system that links Walmart distribution centers to P&G manufacturing centers. Effective and efficient supply chain management system can enable an organization to decrease the power of its buyers, increase its own supplier power, increase switching costs to reduce the threat of substitute products or services, create entry barriers, thereby reducing the threat of new entrants, and increases efficiency while seeking a competitive advantage through cost leadership. 3 supply chain optimization models include supply chain optimization, inventory optimization, and transportation and logistic optimization.